Recently, a claim came across my desk about our glass and mirror mosaic tile. The client sent us some pictures showing that the mesh backing was showing through the glass and mirror after installation. As I do with some of the claims that come across my desk, is order samples, set them myself to see if I can recreate what the client is experiencing to figure out if it's an installation error or a product defect. That's what this video is about. Let's go. There is a technical brief accompanying this video, but here we are setting up our 4 samples, 1 and 2 on the left, 3 and 4 on the right. Samples 1 and 2 start out the same, both using a 1/4 inch by 5/16 notch trowel, leaving the ridges, and then on sample number 2, I'm flattening the ridges. Flattening the ridges on a glass tile installation is pretty common. This way you do not see the ridges through a clear glass. Setting up samples 3 and 4 similar to 1 and 2 for now, flattening the ridges of sample 4. Now I'm going to flat trowel mortar onto the back of the sheet. This is called back buttering. Most manufacturers recommend bedding your tile with a beading block or grout float. Here I'm just using a grout float. Now repeating the process for sample number 3. With some clean water and a sponge, we're going to clean up the best we can with the tile still fresh. After it has a chance to get an initial set and is not sliding around, we'll do a more thorough clean, and this is what you get. At this point, I've realized we've got proper coverage on the mosaic, and even though there's no grout, I cannot see the mesh through the glass or the mirror. Here are the final samples, grouted with white non-sanded grout. And as you can see, there's no visual sign of the mesh through the tile when using these 4 setting methods.